Get ready. Start. A reference is invited to Punjab Government Circular Letter on the subject cited above, which inter alia lays down that the appointments of serving government employees made either by promotion or by direct recruitment on the recommendations of the Public Service Commission, etc., in competition with open market candidates, whether on permanent or temporary basis, are not to be regarded as deputation within the meaning of Punjab Government Finance Department circular letter referred above. Full stop. It was stated that the provisions contained in these circular letters will not apply in such cases, and that their pay is to be fixed according to the recommendations of the Public Service Commission, Selection Board, etc. Full stop. I am to clarify that this concession is to be restricted strictly to cases of selections made by Public Service Commission or equivalent bodies. In the case of selections made by universities, corporations and local bodies, etc., this concession will not be available even though the posts may have been advertised. Full stop. In such cases, only 20% deputation allowance and usual terms of deputation allowance and usual terms of deputation will be allowed. Full stop. Old cases will not be reopened, but in future the above policy shall be followed strictly. Full stop. Next para. The rules regarding leave, salary and pension contributions, etc., as laid down in Appendix 3 to Account Code Volume 1 should continue to apply in cases where a permanent government employee is appointed under a different government through open competition, provided he is not required to resign his previous appointment and the government under whom he was employed prior to his appointment under a different government through open competition agree to retain his lien until he is finally absorbed by the latter government. Full stop. It has been observed that these instructions are not being followed by the various departments, with the result that it is not possible for the Accountant General Punjab to effect recovery of leave, salary and pension contributions from the foreign employer, and the government is put to unnecessary loss of interest. Full stop. The instructions referred to above may be strictly followed while issuing sanction in regard to the terms and conditions of a government employee's transfer on foreign service. Full stop. These instructions should therefore be brought to the personal notice of all government employees working under your control for careful note and strict compliance. Full stop. Receipt of this communication may be acknowledged. Stop.